Few of our followers asking one question to me. I submitted fake certificate previously. Can I submit the same fake certificate again and again when I switch my job? And also they are register one point clearly. They are saying that I submitted my fake certificate in my previous company 3 years back. My background verification went positively without any issue. My background verification was success. And now I submitted same fake certificate in the new company. When I switch my job, they identified and terminated me. Can I submit the fake certificate again and again when I switch my job? This is what the question people are asking over the email. Yes, your background verification was successful in past 3 years back or 4 years back, because at the time they didn't do the background verification digitally. At present, people are doing the background verification based on PF account. That is why they can easily sensible the difference between whatever submitted documents. They can find different company. Based on your PF account, they can find different company. Okay, so don't try to submit the fake certificate. If you face any problem and I'm ready to help you, you need to come to me without receiving the offer letter. I will tell you how to approach interview, how to attend the companies. Okay, that is how my tricks will work. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.